Innovative pop-up tent. The GigaTent 6-foot instant privacy tent offers you instant private space for camping, bathroom potty use, outdoor showers, changing clothes, for use as soft rain shelter and more. And without any hassles of tedious installation, a must-have travel accessory for your next adventure. Instant installation. Designed for utmost convenience, our instant pop-up tents can be set up instantly and are equally easy to fold back into included carry bag. Set these up effortlessly at the park, poolside, beach, or forest. Heavy-duty material. Pop-up pod from GigaTent is very easy to use. Made with high-quality polyester taffeta 190T water-resistant coating. Includes a flexible steel frame for premium durability. This tent is designed to withstand the elements plus engineered with long-lasting repeat use in mind. Set includes 4 stakes that should be used to secure stability. Portable with carry bag. Pops up and folds down in seconds, no assembly required. Ultra-lightweight construction allows for easy transportation with included carrying bag. Weighing just 3 pounds, it can be folded into a compact size of 20L×20W×2H. Top reviews from the United States. It's great to have at tailgates instead of those nasty porta potties. Used it for our own porta potty. 5-gallon bucket filled with layered trash bags and a pool noodle to cushion the seat. Use cat litter for smell and absorption. It's great to have at tailgates instead of those nasty porta potties they provide and hardly clean, or even if you're camping. It could be taller, but it worked fine for what we needed it for. Folds back up nicely into a zipper bag that it comes with. Also comes with strings to secure it to the ground or a pole.